Добрый вечер, Russian lovers. Selamat sore, Russian lovers. Today I'm going to make calamari meatball. Jadi sore ini saya akan membuat bakso cumi. This one not for calamari meatball. I'm going to use with another one for rice. Kalau yang ini bukan untuk ini ya, untuk ditumis sama nasi nanti. Nah ini, so all you have to do, you just have to take and cut your calamari into small pieces because we are going to blend this using, you can use chopper but I'm going to use blender since my chopper broken. Nah ini just the quantity of this, so you can make it a bowl. This one is not bowl, maybe half bowl. Kalau ini mangkok kecil jadi satu mangkok kecil ya, for one small bowl. Kemudian we need black pepper powder, you can use white pepper powder, and then garlic powder, and later we are going to use krahmal or to say potato starch. You can use sagu or tapioca starch, and then we are going to use also salt and sugar. Nah jadi and then cooking oil. Kita butuhkan cumi, kemudian ada bawang putih bubuk, merica bubuk, kemudian ini ya pengganti tepung sagu atau tepung tapioka, kita pakai tepung kentang atau krahmal kalau di Rusia. Kemudian kita pakai garam, gula, you can use chicken stock powder or you can just keep that. Boleh pakai kaldu bubuk ya. Kemudian kita gunakan minyak. Okay, so first of all I'm going to blend this into smooth. Then we are going to put all this stuff together. Okay, sekarang kita akan blender dulu cuminya. Okay, now we are going to put cooking oil here, otherwise it will not move. Kalau nggak dipakai minyak dia nggak akan bergerak ya. Oh, this one. I put cooking oil here. This cooking oil around 100 ml, or it depends on also the quantity of your calamari. Jadi tergantung berapa banyak jumlah sotongnya ya. Jadi dikira-kira aja berapa jumlah minyak yang dimasukin. Nah sekarang kita blender lagi. Now we are going to blend again. Give a bit of water, kasih air ya. Okay, I also already put here inside garlic powder, and then black pepper powder, salt, sugar, and then you can put also chicken stock powder or mushroom stock powder. Nah sekarang kita blend lagi, we are going to blend again. I put also potato starch powder or krahmal. You can put sagu flour. Nah, jadi gini aja. Sambil kita bantu diaduk ya, karena dia berat because using blender is hard unless you are using food processor. Ya jadi dikira-kira ini 6 sendok makan. Kalau misalnya dia sudah bisa dipulung ya udah. Jangan terlalu banyak kasih tapiokanya atau sagunya atau kentangnya, nanti dia enggak. Nah sekarang kita jerang air. We are going to boil that, and we are going to take this one, and then we have pung like that, you know, like when you wash clothes, you just pung 20 times to make it hijau or to make it chewy. Okay, here I already make it like this better, because otherwise you will never know. We'll show you how to do. First you take all this and then you like this, something like that, 10 times or 20 times. 20 times better, 20 times. Jadi dia nanti kejel. Jadi take whole, because I'm using this one hand and one hand to hold camera like this. So take whole and then you bam like that, bam 20 times. Okay, dibanting adonannya kurang lebih 20 kali supaya dia kejel. So you form this meatball, this calamari meatball, like meatball. So you put all your dough and then make it swing, and then you take it by using spoon. Jadi sama kayak adonan bakso ya bikinnya. Jadi sesudah kita matikan, after you boil water, then you turn off the stove. Setelah airnya mendidih, matikan apinya. Nah baru dibentuk, and then you put the calamari meatball here. Careful, I make it too much, but it's okay. See, not so smooth because I'm using blender. So next time better you use, if you have food chopper it's okay. Jadi seperti ini ya. Nah kalau sudah dimasukkan semua baru di nyalakan lagi apinya, tapi dengan menggunakan api kecil. Then you turn on again the stove after you already put all your dough here, and then use a small fire, okay? And then wait until they become floating. So this is the result from yesterday for my calamari meatball. Not really good in the shape, but for the taste it's awesome. You should try it. The taste is very awesome, totally awesome. It's like fish. So I plan, so part of this one I put here in calamari saute with cabbage and with other calamari too. So this is will eat with rice. I will separate this one, but this one I will make into another cuisine called lenggang. Nah jadi ini hasil dari yang kemarin saya bikin ya, bakso cumi. Nah bakso cuminya ini bentuknya nggak jelas ya, nah, seperti ini, tapi rasanya enak karena dia nggak menyatu. Maybe because I put lack of flour, also I didn't use chopper but use blender. Nah, jadi karena saya menggunakan blender ya, jadi nggak terlalu halus. Harusnya halus kalau pakai chopper atau pakai yang food processor itu akan lebih halus, jadi kan lebih bagus hasilnya. Nah jadi ini sebagian saya sudah taruh di sini di kayak tumis cumi ya, dengan bola-bola ini nanti dimakan dengan nasi. Nah yang ini tidak akan saya benerin lagi karena udah oke. So I'm going to put it back into my refrigerator here. Ini akan saya letakkan di kulkas. Nah yang ini saya akan bikin jadi lenggang. Nah lenggang ya, lenggang itu makanan dari Palembang yang biasanya dimakan dengan cuko. So lenggang is called lenggang is from Palembang City. Usually we eat with palm sugar, like palm sugar called cuko. Nah jadi biasanya kita makan dengan cuko ya, tapi saya tidak akan bikin cuko ya. Jadi saya bukan untuk lauk aja, jadi saya akan menggunakan ini forma. So I'm going to use forma. So only this one we need, and then salt, also egg smash. Jadi saya akan kasih dia telur, kemudian kasih garam, kemudian dikasih potongan ini. Since we already boiled this one, so no need to take longer. Usually lenggang use cover placed from banana leaves, but I don't have. Nah biasanya lenggang itu dipanggang dengan arang ya, so usually use charcoal, but here I don't have charcoal. It's not good to burn charcoal in kawartira, so not good, can be burned, so better use oven. Jadi saya akan menggunakan oven saja dengan menggunakan ini. So first I'm going to polish this with cooking oil. Saya akan olesin dengan minyak ya, baru nanti saya akan letakkan telur. Kemudian saya akan kasih garam, kemudian diaduk, and then I put sprinkle of salt, and then I put this one. That's all, and then I will bake that. Udah gitu aja, okay? So for this I'm going to use just small egg. In Russia I already share you types of eggs in Russia. Saya sudah share ya gimana beli telur di Rusia ya, tipe-tipenya. Nah ini situ, jadi kecil segini kan, so it's perfect. Okay, that's all. So here I already polish with cooking oil. Ini sudah saya olesin minyak goreng, kemudian kita masukin satu persatu telur, and then I also put egg for each of this forma, and then I put salt. Just a pinch of salt here. Nah kemudian kita akan aduk, then we are going to, ini sudah saya kasih garam dikit ya, kita akan aduk seperti ini. Okay, Jadi seperti itu. Okay, here, so ready to put it. So usually lenggang using pempek from fish, so it's like fish cake, but here I only have meatball. Meatball from calamari, so still based on seafood. Jadi saya menggunakan cumi. Biasanya kan kalau pempek lenggang itu dia pakai ikan, pempek ya, pempek ikan, pempek dari ikan itu ya. Terus ditaruh sini. Kalau mau pakai tambah daun bawang silakan aja, tapi biasanya enggak. So usually we don't use green onion or spring onion, but if you like, you can put on top of this. Okay, now we are going to bake this after I already preheat my oven first. Jadi ini saya akan panggang. Okay, the remaining here you can make takoyaki. Jadi bisa bikin takoyaki juga ya, kalau ada cetakannya. Kalau nggak ada cetakannya, ya just try to fry. It's okay for takoyaki if you just make a modification. I think I will make a bit sauce. So this is suitable, available in Russia. Jadi sesuai dengan bumbu-bumbu yang ada di Rusia ya untuk pembuatan cukonya. For tamarind, all you have to do, you just have to put water here, air, kemudian sumah. This is substitute for tamarind atau asam jawa ya, bisa penggantinya. Kalau ada ya pakai asam jawa. Kemudian barbaris, also barbaris, substitute tamarind. Also chili powder, chili flakes here, like this chili flakes, and also palm sugar. Actually, it's not palm sugar, it's brown sugar because I don't have palm sugar. If you have palm sugar, then use palm sugar because better palm sugar. And salt. Kemudian ini gula coklat, harusnya ada gula merah tapi saya nggak ada. Nah, kemudian garam dan satu lagi bawang putih. I'm going to use all powder. Nah, ini ya bawang putih, so garlic powder. That's all. So first of all, you boil first. I think I will boil all because I use powder. I'm going to use all and mix all together. Karena saya menggunakan bubuk semua ya, jadi saya akan campur semua. Jadi seperti ini ya. Nah, jadi seperti ini. All we have to do, we just have to stir until all become dissolved. Jadi tunggu sampai dia tercampur semua. Oke. Okay, so this is the result of my lenggang, pempek lenggang from calamari meatball here with chukor in Russian version because I made by using Russian ingredients. Ya. Here. Nah, ini jadinya seperti ini. Jadi wangi sekali dan enak sekali. You can also eat with rice. It's very delicious. See, look. If you have banana leaf, you need to use that. But I don't have, so I think it's enough. Okay, if you want to make takoyaki, it's easy. You just put like this one and then you just fry. I think no need for fry because it's already, see, look, brown, like what I want. See, very delicious. Okay, you must try this at home. Very delicious. Instead of calamari meatball, you got this pempek lenggang from Palembang City. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Don't forget to try this at home. Ini pempek lenggang dari Palembang, tapi dengan menggunakan bakso cumi, dengan cukonya. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di share, di like, di komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. Stretchy Russian Lovers, sampai jumpa lagi Russian Lovers. Paka-paka. Ini saya sudah saring, I already filter. See, like this, you can see from here, it's very delicious. Ini ya, masih mengepul-ngepul. Okay, you must try this at home, it's very delicious. Ini sangat enak sekali. Jadi ini namanya pempek lenggang.